Another episode of Kevin Tries for the first time, and you know this is a beverage episode, so I'll go get the beverages. What we will be trying for the first time is, look buddy, it's spin right, the chia seed drink, and this one is the peach flavored. They have all kinds of flavors in there. They have I think I saw strawberry, lychee. There's even like some milk looking, I think about 5 different flavors that I see in there. But I chose the peach. If you look carefully, let me wipe away some of the, it's cold because I took this one out the fridge, yeah? If you look carefully, you will see like there's some little, the chia seeds are floating around in there. Yeah? That's the chia seed. It sort of look like some like a tadpole. It look like tadpole eggs. Let me say that. It does look like tadpole eggs, but the tadpole egg them bigger and darker. It says shake well before drinking, so you don't know. So we have to give you drinks a headache. Them thing you have to shake up. So it sounds thick. When you hear that, it sounds thick in there, and it's a drink from Thailand. So that's why we say Mr. Tufton gone to Thailand and them thing there, cause they think a doctor business, but I import here over there. I import drinks come to Jamaica. You don't catch on a style Babylon, you can't fool get a youths. But you gonna go to doctor work. A jinx on a import from Thailand, you think man I hate that? Definitely it's kinda weird drinking and then you have again if you're drinking juice with like if you love juice with pulp in it, you might like this. It's a peach flavor, so it definitely tastes good. I'm not sure I understand why there are chia seeds in there. Maybe you can comment in our comment section and let me know what are the health benefits of chia seeds. Well, may I try chew up the chia seed to see if I get like maybe like some type of nutty flavor, like you'd have peanut or something. But there's really is no flavor from the chia seeds. What it does have though, I don't know if I can see it like here. But let me try going a little glance. If you look, it's like it have like a little clear membrane around it. Sort of like how you'd have the lychee. And then the lychee seed is in the middle and you have the what do you call it? Is it translucent? When you can't really see through it. And transparent. So these feel like they have like a transparent thing around it. Around the chia seeds. Like a little membrane of sorts that's soft, like jelly-like. There's not a lot of it around it, but enough is in there for you I think that is what made the drink kind of thick. Yeah, definitely no flavor from the chia seeds. But no, so chia seed healthy in some way. I know that because when people are make like blend up on them thing there, especially the vegan places, they usually throw like chia seeds in there. So I know it's something healthy, but I know the health benefits. In terms of like a day-to-day drink, and something where I drink day-to-day this. You know? Buy it a little one time and you try it and you say, yeah man, that nice man. But I'm not really a day-to-day drink where every day, you feel for something to drink and this year I gotta run go for. It's just something to try one off and you say it's nice and you like it. Because I do like this. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this maybe like a 8. Yeah, I'd give this a 8 because it tastes good and you have the little chia seed them in there, which has health benefits. And then if you don't like pulp in your drink, or any type of food thing in your drink, you know them way there, where you don't like solid things in your drink, then this not gonna be for you. Not that the chia seeds are solid, but if you don't like nothing in your drink, then this is not for you. But you can still try it. The thing that's around the chia seeds is like you'd blend up jello. The packet jello you make it, so it's like you'd blend up jello and then you put it in a drink and you drink it. So you have the liquor chunks but liquid at the same time. You can give it a try, man, and so comes the word spread and word of mouth, and it helps build a business. Even though I'm a Jamaican business, this still, so we don't really care about building it. But at the same time, each one help one. That's how it real work. Let's say myself, like the video, drop a comment, them think they help, and push the video in the what do you call it, the algorithm of Babylon. Alright, look more. It sounds thick. No, we have to reset. Which part this did them? I don't know, brother. It just drop. So what did they drink that way?